Are you someone who want to deliver a presentation but you can't remember everything? You tried practicing but you're missing on some points and you want to refer to some content while talking? Well, if your answer is yes, this is a video for you. Hey there, I'm Nancy Shah from Speaker Circle. We are sharing tips on presentation skills. Today is tip number 11, where I'm going to share with you why and how you should use presenter's view. Now, what is this presenter's view? The view that you are seeing is only visible to you and not to anybody else. Yes, and that's where you get the benefit. Let's say, for example, here in the center, you will have a current slide, which everybody is able to see, and that you have in front of you so that you can also refer to it. Along with it, on the right hand side in the bottom, you will have notes. If you have not added notes to your presentation, you will miss out an opportunity to read through certain content while talking. Always add your notes into the presentation so that you can access to it. Above the notes, on the top right corner, you will have the preview of the next slide so that you know what is coming up next and you can align your talk along with it. Along with that, on the left top corner, you will have the time that you have taken for this particular slide. Here you have a current time of the day so that you can get to know how much time you have for your presentation. On the bottom, you will have the number of slides. Let's say this is a slide number 2 out of 12 or whatever. And along with that, you will have multiple options if you want to use certain marker or a tool, or you want to zoom in, or you want to shift to a certain slide. You can easily do it through the presenter view. To access the presenter view, you need to ensure that you're standing in front of a laptop or a computer screen and you're using that to deliver your presentation. If you're somebody like me who wants to roam around the entire room and go to your audience and then deliver a presentation, this would be a little difficult. But if you are somebody who is standing at a podium and delivering a talk, this is the best thing to do. Here you do not need to remember everything and you would be still able to present effectively. At least for the beginners, I would suggest to try presenter's view while presenting. This was the tip number 11 and I'll be coming with tip number 12 next Wednesday, so stay tuned.